Time for final assembly.
Put the vacuum pump on.
Yes, sir. Fresh gasket on there too.
This thing can be a little bit of a pain in the ass to go in sometimes.
It looks like it's going on.
Yeah.
Got all the parts out. Timing chain stuff. Head studs. Oil pan. Crank hub. Got the head in the car. There's hardware for that, or
Yeah, you have it.
somewhere in this box.
I already found it. It's
Oh,
with
you
the-
found it?
Yeah, so the timing chain stuff. There we go. A little better. I can actually see it. Might have to get some love from my friend Mallet. Trust you, Mallet. More. Cool. Yeah, the hardware for that guy is these. This one's. So that's that hardware. Jeez, it's fireworks season, man. Wilmington's getting wild now.
You torque those too, or?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have like Loctite on it, or what's that green?
So they have like, it's almost like, not like a thread sealant, but it's like, I think it's like almost like an anti-seize they put on
Yeah.
from the factory. That lined up beautifully.
What's going on, guys? So this is gonna be the new video. Final assembly's finally going down. We just got the oil pump in, or no, I mean the vacuum pump. Now we're gonna start putting everything else we can. Get as far done as we can. Yes, sir. What do you call this part again?
It's the lower timing chain set. So this is for the oil pump, for the your vacuum pump, and it goes on the crank as well. There it goes. It's on there. That one's on there. Just put a bolt through there just to hold that. And get the actual like bolt that goes through here in there. Just one fucking bolt that holds that to the block there, and then just the two there. So I'll just put this on just to hold this bitch in place. Should be this one here. Yeah. Cool. I think I pulled all these guys out. Yeah. These ones are for the actual timing chain guide and some of the smaller stuff. Actually, you know what? I think, how many are in here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Quantity 6. Hopefully we have some more in this pile. I know I saw some longer ones in here. That's so ghetto. This little fucking extension setup. It works. Fucking fits. Just barely. Cool. So that's in. that's on. Let's slide it a little bit. Yeah, that's pretty good. And the pump will go there. So I'll bolt the pump up real quick so that there's some slack, so I can shift this around to get this lined up centered. Pump on, and then we'll put the crank up in and start tighten all this shit.
Alright, now we got the oil pump on. Got it filled with assembly lube so it stays all lubed up.
Yeah, it's one of them. Fucking 12 feet long, dude. You see this bullshit? Some BMW ass fucking crap.
What the fuck?
The one's for the oil pump, and for this guy for the vacuum pump. And yeah, let's just kind of snug them up just a little bit just to get them going.
Test fitting the crank up, let's see.
Cut this thing out. Are you sure it's just 18? That's what fucking hell.
Crank up going in, yes sir.
Attempting. That's always the shitty part. This fucker will fight ya.
Oh, you have to line up the fucking...
Dude, you're trying to line up pins, you're trying to line up the chains. It's not always a very fun thing. You mind doing me a favor? You mind holding that plastic thing back?
Let's get the crank up in.
A little bit of fuckery just to get it to line up right. Pull the pin here, this guy, and it'll release the tensioner on that guy. So this is tight. The bolt holding the block is tight. The oil pump's tight. The bolts on the front of the oil pump are tight. This one's tight. So all the timing chain componentry is tight. Like the crank hub, I'm just gonna leave like snug for now. But I can spin it and the chain rotates nicely. Yeah, we'll leave this roughly at TDC-ish. We'll find TDC once the head's on, like fully.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, man, I think we're at a good spot. Ready to put the head on. So.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I honestly say we fucking just send it. Let's just put the head on right now. We can put the windage tray and everything on the bottom after, if you want. But then at least we just get to the point where the head's on tonight.
Yeah.
If you're down to do that.
For sure.
Yeah, let's do that. This is not what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to drill this before you put the valves and springs in. But
it is what it is.
Yeah, you mind holding that stuff for me?
And we're drilling this because of the
And so the other
bigger
thing
head
you
studs.
should do, instead of freeballing it like I'm doing it, do you have your head stud kit with you right now?
What do you mean?
The drill kit?
Nah.
No. Sheesh.
Looks like it fits pretty good, huh?
Yeah. The thickness of the gasket will take it the rest of the way.
These are the dowel pins that line up the head gasket. Now it's time for the head studs. Maybe put another one of these on the opposite corner. And you can see on here, they're a little bit bigger on the two corners.
Ooh. You should be able to thread it. Barely.
Just enough to start it. Probably should have put more on there, huh?
Well, you have a good glob of it right there, so.
There it is, guys. Pretty much at the end of the road for the motor. All the head studs are on. Head. Holy shit.
That's fucking shit, bro.
Got the head on to the main short block. And we're about to start torquing the head. Yep. Head gasket's on too. Now we just pray that we don't snap a stud.
Those chef moments, bro. 20. We'll jump across. We'll pull 20. 20. Okay, so now if I go back to the middle ones, they're probably going to be loose. Yep. It's like I didn't even torque them.
Man, that's crazy.
You gotta go back over them again. So all of them read 20. And what will start to happen is sometimes he'll be torquing. Once you get to like, even right now I can feel the studs starting to slip as they tighten up. And that's kind of scary when you torque them higher.
Final torque right here, 90. Ready for that big boost. Sheesh.
Get this one. Yep, that one's good. That one's good. We're gonna do one more set at 90 again, but now that we've gone through it once on 90, we're gonna do 90 one more time. Ready?
Alright.
Good.
Damn, it did loosen a little, huh?
A little bit, yeah. Not much though, which is a good sign. Usually by the time you get up to 80, 90, they don't loosen a bunch anymore. It's like that gasket's like now compressed, you know?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. Go over this one more time. Yep. 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 Cool.
Yes, sir.
That's it, sir. The head on motor.
Finally.
Fuck yeah. Next time,
Big steps.
put the window tray on, close the bottom, cams in, torque that fucker. And time it. Then she gone.
Yes,
That's it.
sir.
Get her out of here.
Finally.
Fucking seal it, ship it, send it.
The hood exit to start it up now, too. It's gonna sound crazy. Yep, that's gonna do it, y'all.